This is Tyson, the black-headed python, and I love these snakes. They're found all along the top of Australia, from Queensland across the Northern Territory and into Western Australia. They really like those warm tropical regions. And what's fascinating is we don't know a lot about this species of snake. So they might be doing okay, they could be endangered, nobody really knows for sure. I think because they live in such remote areas and they're incredibly secretive. I love black-headed pythons because they look like they've been dipped in chocolate. You look delicious. They use that dark coloration so they can secretively heat up. They might be in a log or a crevice or a cave, and all they have to do is put that much of their body out. They can see, they can sense vibration, because of course they don't have ears so they can't hear, and they can smell. Now you'll notice when he puts his forked tongue out, that's how he's picking up scent. He brings it back into his mouth, and the Jacobson's organ processes what he's just picked up with his tongue and tells him what the scent particles are. So he knows if there's something good to eat. Right now it's my breath. He senses my warm breath and he's like, what is that? Now, he's got this interesting adaptation in that he doesn't have heat-sensing pits that are visible along the side of his head like a regular python. So it makes him a little bit unique. He's also unique because he eats just about anything. He loves everything from reptiles, lizards and snakes, to small mammals and even birds. So he can climb. He'll climb up into trees and catch birds. And of course, being a python, he constricts them. He's not venomous, but he'll coil around something and then asphyxiate it or stop its heart and then swallow it down head first. So even hanging in a tree, he can swallow something just using the muscles in his mouth. It's amazing. Now, these guys, when they breed, they will lay up to 15 eggs, which they will incubate for a couple of months. And when the babies hatch, they're completely on their own. I loved studying these in the wild with Steve, and what was amazing to me is that even a wild black-headed python, almost every time you can just pick them up like this. They're pretty cruisy, they're not terribly worried about anything. They're a very sweet snake. So it's important to remember, if you've got snakes that live around your backyard, to be sure to just avoid them, respect them, and appreciate them the way I do this beautiful black-headed python, Tyson.